All right, all right, we're live. I had no idea, absolutely no idea what I'm gonna do. Um, so I want to try. I prompted a new brand in Cloud, and now I'm gonna try just make just like take this use a bunch of tools to just just like integrate, bring what I had in Cloud and put it in yeah. So I mean notifications. Just put it in process it through Figma or try frame. I don't know, or Recraft. I don't know. Like we'll see. I'm gonna check also another YouTube tutorial from a cool guy. I find it useful. So I'm just basically like just doing my shit and trying to do stuff. I don't know. I'm here just if you want to have a chat or something. I don't mind. It'll be cool. If you want to lurk, and mini fade here. Enable chat box, whatever. I'm sure it's useful. What is this? Just checking. It's also like I'm using Streamlabs that I never used before because I use OBS normally, but for other purposes. So, and I want to play some music. Like I want it to see the video, but I don't want it to see the video. Okay, put it really low. Let me see. So put the desktop audio lower. But I guess my voice is hot. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Oh, let me put Streamlabs here. Okay. So different. Oh man, it's fucking loud. First of all, oh, this is fucking sucks. Oh man, Jesus Christ. Income volume, please. Okay. Let's try. Okay, got a fucking volume here. So, okay, put this back to default. Let's undo this. Okay. And let's just play. I'll play some Angelo Harmsworth. Now, it's actually a cool format because maybe it's a way also to promote my friends and peers. You know what I mean? So, while I fucking work, let me check. Oh, this was a bit, no. check. What? There was something else. More releases. Oh, let's try this. Let's just do. Okay, so 20 minutes. Okay, I guess I don't need the headphones then, because it's pretty low. I'll double check how it feels, how it is. Double check here. So, talking and looking, right. Testing. It's running late. Nothing. It's definitely too fucking loud. I mean, it's cool, but oh man, it's so slow too. Like the delay. Put it at 5. A bit louder here. I guess it's speaking and everything. Okay, maybe it's not ideal. We'll put some oh man, it's just too industrial. I hear nothing though. Like if I keep it like this. So now I turned up the volume from the card and not from Bandcamp. How is it? Like now I hear myself, the music, but so it's too loud too. Still too fucking loud. no shit. Maybe I have to. How can I do it? Maybe because this is not. I'll try something else. Plonk. So now I'm on YouTube Music. Maybe not. Okay, so this is really loud, and then now I'm gonna really quiet, and now I'm talking over it, and maybe this is better for some reason. Okay, I'm making it really. So now it's really low, the volume on YouTube, but I'm turning up the volume on the card. I don't know if it gets in the mic, and at the end we have the same result. Maybe even like double. It's confusing, so I need to use the headphones at the end. Okay, I'll use headphones. So I'm on headphones now. How's it now? Now I'm on headphones. And I'm on headphones, talking in the mic. With music. And blah blah blah. And it's a nice. I have also voice going back in the feed. Alright, so this is Huerco S, and the album is Plonk. And let's see if YouTube is gonna fuck me over with this music. Hope not. We'll see. Anyway. Let's get to business. Get to business. So, alright. So, oh shit, I got stuff. Can I send myself stuff, then go on Telegram? Where can I send it? Where can I send it? Don't want to show private shit. Hey, right. It's annoying, but fuck off. I'll do Telegram real fast. Who the fuck is watching? Okay, so this. Here we go. These are the mockups. So, okay, let me go. Okay, I got this, so you don't need to see shit. That's nice. I forgot I got camera control. So this download in a second. I'm downloading the berries. these are things basically like, okay, this music is distracting me. Like it's cool, but also like it's fucking me up, dude. Oh, fuck this shit. Okay. Um. I think I need something more. Okay, let me try with this fucking album. Always Wins. I heard it like 1,000 times, but maybe it's a bit nicer. Not nicer. It's just better for ambience. It's a hate rock, and the album is Over the Rainbow. Alright, so I'm downloading this. You know, downloading all these assets that I generated and ideas. These are just ideas, but they're actually pretty cool. I've used all different like kind of chats. I used Perplexity. I've used Claude. So basically, like I started from ICP. I made an ICP on Claude. I built it all around this this entrepreneur I'm following since a bit. Is the founder of New Life / New Coin / Figure Out Today was New Foundation, and it's really cool because like he's coming from the fashion world, and he's trying, always had this in mind, this mission or idea to basically give creators like the right amount of exposure, organic exposure, like basically trying to do a new social media that was supposed to be a New Life. I had mixed feel. I used it. I had mixed feelings about it, but I really like his aesthetics. I like the steak. I like this merge between like alternative fashion and tech, crypto and stuff. So yeah, I felt like would have been like someone that I would like to work with. And then I mixed with this other ICP that is about like this startup, like more classic startup, deep tech, entrepreneur, looking for a seed day, and so like he needs, he might need a designer for like pitch decks, and rebrand and stuff. So I just try to merge these two worlds. And okay, let me check. I should have the whole research around. I think I can't work with music. Okay, I tried. I can't work with music. It would be really cool. Maybe because it's first time, then I get used and then it gets fine. But for today, gotta stop music. No headphones again. I'm gonna cut everything. I don't care. And if even not, I don't fucking care. So, just close it. Okay. Got myself here. Sign into chat. I don't need to chat. Okay. So I did something and was like, I was trying to find the whole process, or at least like the way I merge things. I think it was on Perplexity, Let's see if I find it, and then I'll show a bit the summary. I think it was objects reading similar advice, or maybe it was Claude. Maybe it was Claude, and let's see. Understanding new coin. Okay, this was the whole. No, but hey, I used something else. Well, maybe it was Grok. Image mockup request. Chats. There's not much. Oh, maybe it got mixed with this. No, what the fuck? Did this Grok? Maybe it was Grok. What is that chat? Grok AI. Image. Oh my god. Fucking pictures I made. I can't delete it. I don't know here. Just remove it. Fuck yeah. That's pretty crazy though. I don't know what this is. So maybe I did it X. Oh, I probably did it X, but as congregant. So it should be here. Then Grok. Then history. There we go. Relay. Oh, this was just for the. Oh, I can show already some, but I wanted to show the whole, like the whole reasoning behind the whole thing. But yeah, maybe it's not here. All right, well, anyway, I was saying, like, so I took these two ICPs and I basically asked AI to come up with something that will be like, you know, would appeal, or would like, yeah, would appeal to both the clients, who basically like let them feel that I am the right person. So I tried, like, I have like these 5 to 6 slides prompts that then like I used Recraft. Was it Recraft that I used for? No, I did it on Grok. I didn't. I'm not getting. I use so many. I use so much shit today, like just being in bed, like with the phone and just like grinding. Like now looking back, is like, oh shit, I did a lot of stuff. But yeah, pretty crazy. But yeah, here. So, all right, I'll read a little bit. Like, okay, I'll just show a little bit here. This is the wrong fucking. What the fuck is this? All right, yeah. So here, Grok, and yeah, this is the whole thing. Like, this was made in another app, maybe Claude, maybe some other chat. It came up with this whole thing, and this is the whole prompt that it generated. And then this is the result. That is not bad at all. Like, I really like somehow, you know, just as first sight, without any strategy behind, nothing, but like just pure aesthetic. I feel that this could be something I could see myself working on. I like the brand name somehow. It's great. basically the concept is also not bad. It's also not bad. Um, but yeah, I feel like this is also like resembles a bit like the new life, new founders, everything, new foundation. Bit that aesthetic, like really a kind of this abstract, modern, like kind of this destructive. I don't want to use this term disruptive because I hate it, but like, I don't know, it's pretty cool. Bit FX Twin, it's just abstract, but I think it's something we can work on somehow, or even leave it like that. I don't know, but yeah, I like it. And then there's other ideas here asked to make it like I really didn't like this like brown in the palette, so I asked to change. You found this other pink. I'm not sure. I might change the palette and everything. Because also like I use already this green. Oh, sorry. I use this green in other project. I was already greenish. It's not the same green, but just have a bit of a. Even if these are the classic. This is the classic, bit of classic palette for this kind of thing. Like I think this. Yeah, pretty classic. All this thing. So it came out with all like. I basically like I asked him to. I took every point because otherwise I was doing the whole thing, and then to generate each slide, I went to like, okay, did this, produce this, and then like copy paste the other chapter about exactly that. The slide prompt, just that, and then this. So I did it for each slide in order to have like. I almost came. Okay, so this came almost like a website already that I could also like use to try frame. I don't know if I'll manage to use, like, it's just so much stuff to learn. Like this is the thing with AI like right now. Like maybe because like I'm jumping late on the bandwagon, but it feels so fucking much stuff and everything. Like everyone is speaking AI. Like it's crazy. Like it's driving me crazy. Like just being on any fucking social media, like just AI. Like if you go in any field, it's just like this shit. And then you go check tutorials. They're like, oh yeah, there's this tool, and there's this tool, and there's this tool, and then you can do this, and then you integrate, and now it's like this new tool, and now you can put Figma with Cloud. Like it's just crazy, man. It's insane. It's insane. I don't know. I'm here just like trying to do something to keep up, and see what comes out. I have a good feeling about this. I had to admit, like, I didn't like. I'm doing something like a little bit because like I want to also like try be kind of faster than usual. So like I don't want to spend too much time in reasoning. I just want to do something that looks satisfying for to update my portfolio. Put pieces that look like they can be interesting, but I'm not gonna like wrap my mind too much around like, oh yeah, is this perfect? Like just like I trust AI, I trust like the strategy that that we generated together behind, like mainly that that the AI generated, that the Clanker generated. But yeah, okay, yeah, I'm dead in like time, Terminator time. But like yeah, basically what I was saying, yeah, like there's a whole strategy behind it. Like I have to merge these two ICPs, these two personas, and I trust it that it's satisfying. So I just follow rules. I just follow what came out. I just try to work on that. and maybe like, yeah, of course, like I'm gonna review like by the time I'm on it, and if there's anything that's really off, I'm gonna correct. But I feel like this is a great starting point. So let me check if I fuck man. All right. Let me check if I Figma install now. Bit of mass here. This all. This is pretty bad thing. They like last min. Just put it here for now. I don't know. I don't want to say it. That's a bunch of fancy. Okay, this is reference. Okay, these are the assets. So I'll put make a new folder here. A new cartella. Make a new folder here. I'm gonna start a new one here. And so how are we gonna call it? How's it called? Relayos? Relayos. Okay. Let's just start. And then first thing I do, we make this one. I call it refrezo. Reference. Reso. Was it resources? Refrezo. And basically, this is where I put everything that is like a reference or a resource. Then eventually make I make my own I make further folders. So I'll import this. Let me import this in Figma, and then we're gonna chat together. I feel I need to okay, I want to copy also like the whole, where the fuck was the understanding new coin? Is it here or is it here? Maybe it's here. Let me check. Visualize success founder. Let me see if here. Yeah, but I did the whole thing, and then like I was like, read these two things, and then like read these two things, and it was perplexity, man. It was perplexity history. Oh, here. Okay, so that's where I did it. So I gave him like basically like the PDFs of the two. Like I make Claude make two different PDFs for each persona. Two ICPs, two PDFs. But he just said, hey, can you read it? Can you make a summary? And then basically like he gave me blah blah the whole thing. So this is something that I feel I had to really always keep with myself, right? More maybe than this, but like really this is like the whole strategy behind. So okay, let me do this. I'll make a nice Oh, come on. Come on, buddy. See if I do this. No. What was it? Resizing. Auto width. Auto height. Auto height. Here. Okay. Let's make a nice. Paper. A4. Okay. Put these there. And here, just to keep an eye. Call it brief. Okay. And yeah, I feel like I should go through it. I should go through it. Alright, so you can design one bridge case study that speaks to both Alex and the Sophian type, frame it around clarifying complex program. Core idea case study pressure where you take a complex decisive protocol, clarify narrative, turn abstract layer vision into simple story investors, partners, communities can understand. So yeah, like the first thing is like, can I lock this? It doesn't make me this shit. Okay. First thing is like, you know, it's important that like, you know, this worlds is like investors, partners, and communities, because like that's the part that like about new life guy would be interested in. Like, so okay. This scalable visual system, so this is going to be the brand. The scalable visual system and was a product agent visual, so grown up investor ready, but still culturally sharp and opinionated. So yeah, like classic, but also, you know, got a bit like this weird logo, abstract logo shit. And product pitch, public presence, show design now connects deck site, in product UI, and social Twitter present into one coherent system. Okay. Why this fits Alex? Alex want to look like a category leader before Series A and close the gap between the builds and how they appear. Because the study can emphasize ARR attraction context. The same pro UI, social Twitter presence. Align product pitch, and so like this is all scattered. It says like this all like all around. Okay, let's do one thing, you know. Let's do one thing that I really like to do, because I fucking hate all this like I understood the task, but I think I had something that I was like, okay, explain. Let's do this. Explain the company we came up with as it would be for a 10 years old kid. Let's see what comes up. Big smart clubhouse for creative people. It's already complicated. I'm so brain fried. This company we invented, really LS, is like the secret control room that helps lots of creative teams work together without chaos. Secret control room helps a lot of creative teams work together without chaos. Some people make music, some people make clothes, some make games, some run events in different cities like Berlin, London, or Paris. RelayOS is the system that keeps everything organized, who's doing what, where all the files are, and how everyone gets paid fairly. It doesn't just make a pretty app on top, it's more like the roads, rules, and traffic lights. Underneath a city, because those roads and rules are clear, all the creative cars, project teams, and communicate move smoothly without crashing into each other. I'm not sure I like this fucking company. I mean, like, it can be interesting because, like, can also involve some UX UI work that I don't necessarily want to do. I want to focus more on the investor side. I mean, yeah, okay, but it's something that can expand. So like I can start from the branding, I can start from the pitch decks, and then like in the future, I can already see like the whole UI implementation of it, because I guess this is like for sure it's like, you know, it can be an app. It could be something like I don't understand though, like a lot of creative teams work together without chaos. Some people make music, some people make clothes, some people make games, some run events in different cities. It isn't keep everything organized. Who's doing what? Yeah, but like, okay, but why these people need to stay like connected and get paid for what? I don't understand the core purpose of this thing you put together. Can you explain? I write like shit better, as it would be to 5 years old kid. Think about a group of kids building a huge Lego city together. One kid builds houses, one cars, one builds parks. Another kid makes up stories about the people in the city. If they don't talk to each other, the roads won't match, the houses won't fit, and I don't understand about why they're doing it. Like, is it like people working together for what? Gets messy and gives a lot of work that nobody sees or uses. This common is like a big shared table and simple plan for Lego City. It helps everyone see what the others are building. It shows who helped with what. Okay, so it's like for creatives to collaborate. When the city is used or shown to others, it makes sure each kid gets a thank you or reward for their part. So the core purpose is help creative people build things together without a mess. Make sure no one's work is invisible and everyone can get something back when the project is used or makes money. All right, let's copy let's copy this. Let's make another more. Come on, buddy. Yeah, let's make more. They're just notes. I don't fucking care if it looks like shit. Oh, fuck off. Okay. There's this. We keep this, and then we keep this. Okay. So this is okay. Let's keep going and say like, okay, but why? Okay, but why are these people staying connected? Why they using this platform? Bigger, cooler things together. One person want to make a whole Lego city. All about finding other people that have music. Usual. Okay, it's pretty cool. I like it. I said like this imaginary thing is like okay, so it's okay, so can you stay in only a couple of lines? Core mission of this thing. How would you call it? Would you define better? Platform, a site, an app. What is it exactly? I created teams and communities, build projects together in one shared place without losing track of what did what. Make it easy and fair for everyone who contributes to be seen, credited, rewarded over time. What is exactly a platform? Set of tools and rules that people may use through a web app site. Okay. I created a community, build projects together in one shared place without losing track of what did what. Make it easy and fair for everyone who contributes to be seen, credited, and rewarded over time. Okay, whatever. Today we go fast. I don't know. All right. So why do you call this relay OS? Passing things along between people and places, idea files create payments so nothing gets stuck or lost. OS operating system just went up, but a basic layer that helps a lot of different creatives. Basic layer that helps a lot of different creative tools and people work together, like how an operating system runs many programs on a computer. So Relay OS, the basic system relays work, info and rewards between everyone in creative. Fucking cool. Okay, let's write this down. Let's write this down. It's pretty cool. Love it. Okay. Okay, let me just double check. Let me double check. How would this it's more like okay, it's more like I can see Sofian, how is it fucking called? The guy? What's the name of the guy? Sofian. Can you see Sofian potentially interested in this? How about Alex? Alex cooler than it looks. Alex doesn't care about protocols, creative network, and such, but they care deeply about three things that this platform solves: career collaboration. Alex runs a distributed team and works with freelancers and partners. Anything that makes it easier to see who did what, keep work organized, and avoid chaos across tools is attractive. Clean, create, improve a contribution. For Alex, this isn't about fairness language, it's about trust and good ability. Yeah, but I mean, what would be the parts of the design case study this that would be interesting for him to evaluate me as someone to hire for his startup running for a seed A or B? Difficult? Nothing if it's difficult for you, Clanker. Gosh. For Alex, Series A founder, there are parts of the relay case study that will actually make... You're gonna get cancelled by fucking humans. Will actually make me think I should hire this person. For Alex, Seed Series A says founder, these are parts of the Relay LS case study that will actually make him think I should hire this person. Clear by business context. For Alex, these are the parts of the Relay case study that will actually Georgia Allen can insist stage team traction, staging for business goal into look and feel like credible. Grown up. This should understand fundraising and sales reality, not just aesthetics. Sharp, concrete problem statement, framing in its language, confusing story. Investors and buyers couldn't explain what the product did in one sentence. That website product felt like three different companies. Risk looked early stage experimental image what we actually built. Alex evaluating whether you can connect design to real risk loss deals. So a fundraise lack of trust. A decision making not just predict screens, share few key choices and the reasoning. I simplified the stack into 3 layers infrastructure to look and why. Why the identity is restrained for investors, but as a cultural layer for community, and now you choose layout and copy to make the one sentence explanation obviously wants to see that you think in system and trades off, not just vibes. 1 or 2 flaws that touches word. Pick visuals to match his daily life before after on page, or one full of jargon with no one that an investment can scan in 5 seconds and get it. Before after deck slide, all mass architecture slide versus your clean layered diagram. Alex is mentally asking, would this person make my side and deck easier to sell with? I'm not gonna make a before after deck slide because it's not all messy. Like, I'm just gonna make a fucking slide. Like deck, pitch deck. Like this was not. Oh, I don't. Okay, conversation, not just visuals. You don't need fake numbers. Use realistic quality counts. First call shifted from so what do you actually do to how could we pilot this? What the fuck does this mean? Use realistic quality outcomes. First calls shifted from so what do you actually do to how you could we pilot this? Founder reports more confidence and in the deck without being on the call. Fuck, this is boring as shit. Team and community now use the design system without designer babysitting. The fuck is that? I gotta turn this off. He says I'll just trust it. I just to fucking Team and community now use the design system without designer babysitting. Okay. This is how like cyber units better meetings, faster trust, and less founder babysitting. A tiny what I bring to early stage teams now, and with the 3 bullets aimed right at Alex used to working with post C to Series B teams another time, budget constraints, comfortable owning both brand layer. I don't understand. To me, like these, like maybe because I'm not used to this shit, I just maybe I retarded. Like I am. Sorry. No offense to anyone. Not referring to people with disabilities. All my love to them. But I think gotta, yeah. I not call deaf people that way, so retarded to me is like really like healthy, like not healthy, but oh fuck, internet. um, able people, physically able people, but mentally, basically flat earthers. Basically, that's it. Flat earthers and far right, whatever, far fanatics people. Anyway, if you will relay OS case study around these 6 things, Alex is exactly what you need. So I'm so brain fried. We can only start to look like we actually will close the gap. Okay, can you explain again? Can you explain again these whole last how you call it, response as to 10 years old. Let's make 5. Imagine like a kid with a really cool Lego spaceship and wants grown ups to say wow and give him more Lego. What? Your case study needs to show Alex the simple things. What the Lego world is telling him is the kind of Lego world we built and why it mattered, why it doesn't and what the problem is. What we were wrong before. Show a messy picture before people look at this and didn't understand what the spaceship did. Pages and slider were confusing. What we changed? Show the fixed picture. I changed the shapes and signs so everyone could see in one look what the okay, dude. We don't have any before and after because this is a brand platform from scratch and there's absolutely no fucking before. God, it makes sense. The Greenville, not a rescue job. What? From scratch case study, can still show what it cares about. Focus on the species system before after. Clear starting point. Relay OS didn't exist yet. The founders are the big idea and the new product prototypes, but no name, no story, no brand. No okay, this is better. You sell Alex, you can still start from zero like his next product spin-off. You're only making it real. You show that you didn't you just draw, you shape things. Define the name and core message in plain language. Turn a fuzzy idea for creative networks in a one-line pitch. And the 3 simple story blocks. Design the whole visual wall, logo system side deck, social. The thinking behind the system. Alex wants to see your brain, not just screens. Why you choose the 3-layer story infrastructures told the system. How the story shows up everywhere in the homepage. Architecture, slide, icons, now navigation instructors. What exists now that didn't before instead of before after. Call it from nothing to this. A name, core narrative, and tagline the founders can actually say out loud. A brand-wise field seat series. Field seat series. Small designs in the team can reuse for product deck and launch posts. Founder level outcomes, even if hypothetical, since you talk about how it changes the life going forward. The founder now has a deck inside. They're proud to send investors without being on the call. They're proud to send investors without being on the call. Now hires and partners can understand the product in one scroll instead of needing a 30-minute explanation. The design system lets the team ship new pages and screens without a manual look every day. Okay, man. Okay, I'm having another idea. Because, like, what the guy done here? Alright. let's take a break. Then let's the team ship new pages and screen. If you're in the cases, help take this from idea, story system, launch ready assets. Alex will still use exactly what he needs. You can partner from day zero and build the whole go-to-market phase and spine of a company. And just polish something that already exists. All right. All right. Let's take a break now and let's watch these other fucking YouTube. It's not this. Close this shit. There we go. Let's go. So what this guy did. This is the whole fucking
to actually launch our app and get paying customers and start looking like a professional product and a professional software business. Basically, I'm gonna go onto this example that they've got on their website. This is for a company called Flex, bold, founder-friendly, identity built for trust and growth. This is like a finance product, basically for new founders, for new businesses. It's called Flex, and I want to kind of cover off show you an idea of the sort of stuff and design quality that you would be getting for $20,000 here. So if I do, so you can see that they've got like this primary color with a logo mark on the left hand side. They've got these kind of diagrams where they show like spacing between letters or whatever, which is kind of like what every brand identity agency does. I bet people still do that. I'm not sure what purpose it serves other than to see like they've done some spacing on the letters. We've got the logo mark here. We've got a bunch of custom illustrations that is specific to this brand identity, so that they've got. What we're going to do here, if I come down to the pricing section, you don't need something as good as this to actually get your startup and your app idea launched. If I come down to the pricing section and go to custom, for example, here, which is what you would do for a brand identity project if you wanted to work with off menu, this starts at $20,000. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a brand identity that's half as good for $10,000, and that's going to give us an amazing foundation to actually launch our app and get paying customers and start looking like a professional product and a professional software business. Basically, I'm going to go onto this example that they've got on their website. This is for a company called Flex, a bold, founder-friendly, identity built for trust and growth. This is like a finance product, basically for new founders, for new businesses. It's called Flex, and I want to kind of cover off show you an idea of the sort of stuff and design quality that you would be getting for $20,000 here. So if I do, so you can see that they've got like this primary color with a logo mark on the left hand side. They've got these kind of diagrams where they show like spacing between letters or whatever, which is kind of like what every brand identity agent, a lot of the brand identity see here. Another illustration here. Typography. If you're doing about for an hour, or however long it's going to take you to do it, you basically need a logo mark, the icon styles cohesive with your target customer, and how do we want our brand to feel, and then where is a good example that we can kind of steal inspiration from. And so the example we're using here is Flex. Let's think about our $10,000 brand that I'm going to do in this video. So this is going to be for a finance app for first-time business owners. So they're young, they're overwhelmed, they're stressed, they're confused. We want to help those people get their finances set up in the correct way for their business. So how do we want it to feel? Well, we need it to feel, it needs to feel approachable and friendly, but it still needs to be professional enough because it's financial services. But the approach of their finances overwhelmed in this video. Who is our customer? This is something that is really overlooked when people why this whole thing feels cohesive and works together, and it's also using the same color palette here as well. And you also want to have alignment with your target customer. This is something that is really overlooked when people create brand identities or do design for their app that they're vibe coding or their startup idea. So where do we start with this? Well, first we want to identify who is our customer and how do we want our brand to feel, and then where is a good example that we can kind of steal inspiration from. And so the example we're using here is Flex. Let's think about our $10,000 brand that I'm going to do in this video. So this is going to be for a finance app for first-time business owners. So they're young, they're overwhelmed, they're stressed, they're confused. We want to help those people get their finances set up in the correct way for their business. So how do we want it to feel? Well, we need it to feel, it needs to feel approachable and friendly, but it still needs to be professional enough because it's financial services. But the approachable and friendly angle will basically help us get in the door with people who are feeling like everything is a little bit too serious. We kind of want to go the other way. The example that we're using is Flex. So I wanted to cover off one more thing before we actually get stuck into the work, which is the details is what makes the design work. Details is where the main sort of like details is where the main kind of heavy lifting I feel with a lot of design is actually done. It's about having plenty of white space, having the right letter spacing of your fonts, getting your layouts consistent and having good spacing in your layouts, having good hierarchy, which I spelled wrong here, having good hierarchy for information on the page for your typography, having complementary colors, and then a good, strong font pairing. Building an app that helps young business owners get their financial options. You might want to do like a couple of rounds of iterations here to like add in Recraft. So let's do that for using Flex as the example here. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of some of these parts of the brand identity. This is going to give us like, this might give us like a different color palette. This might give us like a similar color palette here, but like we're just going to go with this for now. So let's drop these into Recraft. So I absolutely would not recommend just straight up stealing a brand identity. What you want to do is use this as inspiration. We're not trying to copy exactly what Flex has done here and what Off Menu has done. What we're trying to do is we're basically trying to create a rough kind of guide as to what we want to create, what our kind of style is. So let's see if we can test it.
So watching this, I just remember one thing that is like, I really liked. So yeah, I want to give it an edge because like what I like I wanted to appeal Alex, the startup, classic startup guy, but I also like the fact that see what the what's his name? Sufyan like had like it was basically like all these apps, all these business, all these things, they all like look like they have really cool people, maybe even too cool, but like it's all like very fashion oriented and like imbued. So yeah, basically I would like to keep this. I mean, and I can do it because like I also seeing like this really cool other designer on X, and she making a lot of cool mood boards. They look like really editorial, fashion editorial. She's using Midjourney and what's Google Nano Banana, and then there's this other designer. She's doing instead these really cool pages on Frame that they look really like also like kind of weird, not too weird, but they have a flavor, you know. And I don't know how any of this, but that's really like something I would like put together, like keeping in mind all of this, but then like this I would like to have a twist, you know, like I want to have like understand all of this, maybe not sure. I'm understanding, maybe I have to check it tomorrow. But basically like yeah, I would like to have like a bit of the weird, like I want it to be serious because like it's, you know, it's still a platform, but it's a platform that needs to be also for young people. So if it's for young people, this looks to me a bit anonymous. It looks too like, this looks to me like investors, you know. So like that, I think that's a good idea. And yeah, you gotta this. I have to remember there was this. If you should do something like similar to what this guy did here, to go and check for some other brand, there was a thing that they connected. Okay, let me go for a second in the. Let me go full screen because like I want to check my email, so you're not gonna see my email. But what's it called? Something like talent. Was like in Italian, talent acquisition thing. It was really nice, interesting. Nice, interesting feel, a vibe, kind of like, modern, young. But I can't remember now. It was a while ago. It was still with Vanessa. So it was like 23. Definitely 23. Okay, let's go. Artisan. Yeah, it's around this. It was around this. Stuff base. It was definitely. Shirai. Oh. What the fuck was the name of that? Upwork. Thanks, I only fucking all the time. Snap Hunt. Footer Week. HR manager, talent recruiter. No. Position, exercise. Talent pool. Hello page. Oh, it was Hello page. Was it Hello page? No. So we're closing match. It's not artisan recruitment. Oh man, I don't know where the fuck is this. Definitely around here. But I can't find it. Maybe it doesn't matter. Sales stuffing. I don't know what is this shit. I don't know what it is. What's it called? Let me check. Agency online connect design creatives impresa. Oh, what the Fuck off. Like, come on, man. What? Come on, man. I didn't see it. Online. Connette. Creatives. E imprese. Ma io non voglio fare la ricerca online. Non voglio fare. Porca troia. Ok. It was a really cool one. Alright. I'll never find it. Whatever. This a gazillion. For sure. Okay, so for sure. Okay. Let's approach this another way. Okay. Let's keep watching this shit. Let's keep watching this guy. Oh, shut up.
This, we might want to add in some different, like, we might want to add in a color palette here. In fact, let's go over to this color palette generator here. I'm just going to sign into my account and let's generate a color palette that we like. What I want to do is I'm going to create a color palette that is similar.
I mean, yeah, okay, let's try. Let's try find something that we like. So what's an agency? What's an agency? I don't think it's in the bookmarks. Maybe it is. Actually, no, I don't remove. Where's the bookmarks? Where are the bookmarks here? Where's the fucking bookmark? What's the point of this fucking sidebar? Is this a bookmarks? Wallet. Oh, fuck. Okay. What was it? I had all this really cool agencies. I don't remember anymore. I don't know where they are. Maybe I'm following them on Behance. Following a bunch. Let me check. Birds? Is it more birds? I heard more birds. Okay, this is something. StudyGraph. Type StudyGraph. Maybe also editorial. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool shit. Oh, Cosmico, that was it. It's not that good. I have to reapply this. Gotta fucking reapply. But this is pretty good. Like, yeah, it's. Yeah, I can see like pre AI. Let's I'm not sure. I like this. It's not what I have in mind, but this is something that though yeah, it's a similar brand thing. Let's check something else. I can't go. Okay, let's go. I want to go to the website. I want to try the wave. But there's no so it's all of them. So good is I'll have. Is it called Ways to now? Alright, let's check. Cosmico Agencia Italia Creative. Here we go. We are Cosmico. Logos. Meh. If they updated. That's all it is. It's pretty cool. I thought we wanted I remember it was more be edgier. I feel like they redesigned it, made it a bit more, bit cleaner. Oh, fuck off. Okay. Yeah, it was a bit different. I think they changed it. It's gonna link that. Is there X? No X. Well, YouTube. Oh. All right. What's this? Follow. This I send it to. I'll send it to. I can't send it to anyone. Fucking hell. Whatever. Send it to myself here. That's it. Does it work? Okay. Yeah, at this point, I don't know. I am the lurker. Whoever is there, it's not you. Totally forgot about you. Unless you write me. That's pretty cool. Alright, I feel I want to follow. Like here and getting like pulled apart. Yeah, or something like this. I mean, that was like, that's the thing, like how I got this. No, it was from Grok. I was saying like from Gamma, and it was from Grok. I mean, I would keep these. Could I keep this? Leo S. Inter GT Valsheim. GT Valsheim, I don't have it. Just want to check it. This is Inter. Like very basic. Just want to see. What if it's using this? I think it's used Inter actually. Okay. Keep it simple. So now, okay, I'm gonna copy this lookup shit, but I'm gonna then like put my own twist. This is really cool. I don't know how I achieved this. This is really cool idea. Like this glow around here. It's really cool. It's really cool. All this stuff, I don't know how to. Yeah, I gotta study this thing. I don't think. All right. Let's start from the logo for now, and then I'll see how to. Let me use this because this is like. It's basically these two. This was with the other palette. Gotta try other palettes. I like this too. Primary logo, a light affection. Primary logo, light of action. Desk. Medium weight. There's a book control. I mean, it's nice. Also works this. Like, it's more like, well, what the fuck is this? You know, where it's coming from. Like, it's random. That it's fine. Because on some ways, like, who the fuck cares? But I feel like I want it to be a bit, like, you know, has to be some fucking reason. You know? But it's also AI, you know? It's just some. I feel this is a bit more neat. This iOS. Okay, let's try, because the way reason to come out with the logo was actually pretty cool. If we look this back.
Similar to Flex in the way that it's kind of constructed. So we're going to go with like a primary color and then some secondary lighter colors and then a dark kind of black color that we can use for text and
We
stuff.
went for the palette. Let's try this palette thing
that
for now.
is similar to Flex in the way that it's kind of constructed. So we're going to go with like a primary color and then some secondary lighter colors and then a dark kind of black color that we can use for text and stuff, and we'll have shades of that, but that's kind of the primary color palette, and we're going to have a white in there as well. So our main color
coolers. Oh, cool. Bormio. Okay. I don't think there's any whatever. Seen it. Okay, just out of curiosity, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna check new coin. People decentralized, you see? It's kind of similar. Really basic. I like this. It's really minimal. It's 10 nothing. Gigantic fashion models. What the fuck is this? Career as a music artist. It's just like name dropping shit. Nuance. Some of this shit. It's pretty cool. Photos, like really. This is really young kids. Yeah, pretty cool. So this is basically his fashion management and it's just the photos. It's crazy. Okay, but that's it. No info. Oh no, here you have. Okay. Oh, okay. Bit and sharp. No? It's a great reference for Giga. Oh, Giga would totally fit here. Is this? It's kind of weird. Be cereal. Curious about. Oh, that's crazy. Crazy pigs. Crazy. Say 180. All right, enough. Econ Live. Here we go. It's all fashion. This is more like a blog, I guess. I don't know what's going on here. This is Best Buy New Life. That's crazy. I think it's real. Econ Live. What the fuck is this? It's so cryptic. Together we humans machinery, everything where you control. This is like the kind of like exactly the kind of aesthetic I was thinking. So definitely something to. What the fuck? Oh, it's what? Okay, so I think I have it. It's a bit like Mac, whatever. Oh yeah, it's also this Mac. So, what the fuck is this launch web app? What the it's maybe like just an AGI, just another is AI. Oh, it's cool because no one talks about it. Oh, bookmark. Explore another time. It's a fucking rabbit hole. All right. Let's keep it easy. Coolers. Bullet generator. So, start a generator. This being called. Let's go. I call it blah 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 blah. Yeah. It's actually not bad. Right? I want something different. Okay, maybe this works. Oh, I'll start from this. Let's start from this. So I had here. Let me try. The power toys. What's power toys? What's this? Oh, what the fuck? Common palette. What's power toys? Power toys. What the fuck is this? This is monitoring. Open color picker. Windows Shift C. Windows Shift C. Here. Copy. Oh. I want to start from another. I want to. Okay, here. This is a main. Oh, fuck it off. Actually, the thing you see on Nikon is it's just black and white, man. There's no branding bullshit. It's really minimal. I will just do this white, black and white. Prussian blue. But it's so similar. It's so similar to already what I already used, you know? It's so fucking similar. This is like Odin, man. This is Odin. I don't know this. Like I want a primary. There was another method, but yeah, man. I don't know. I think I just had to keep going with this. Here, basically capped. I think I'm brain fried, but let me take this. I'll do one thing. Come on. There we go. Vectorize. And hopefully I can do the inverse. Black and white. Oh. Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah, baby. All right. I like I copy this because I want to copy the lookup proportions. I think are pretty nice. Pretty nice. Can we group this? Logo mark. Word mark. Dude. This is pretty cool. Okay, yeah. And you date this. Okay. Okay. Let's make it all black. Sharp. Well. Nice lock. I mean, for today, it's like, you know, I'm really tired. Okay, let's logo. Okay. There we are. Yeah, whatever. This is a lookup. I like this white. Yeah. I wonder if this. Let's make another one. Make it selection. It's not black, black, black. It's blue. And then this. Okay. So this is gonna be this. This is gonna be this. That's pretty cool. I could keep it. I don't know, just weird shit. Yeah. Price Lake. I think I'm done, man. Whatever. I don't know. If you want to reproduce that, you gotta. How you glow it? Can you glow? Can you actually glow? How you fucking do this? It's fucking nice. I guess definitely like this. Keeps changing. What the fuck? Okay. Cool. You need without. Maybe you can do a bit more. Very nice. Tomorrow I need to, so I hope it's a nice day because I need to be outside. I really need to go. I'll be out and about after today, man. All right. Oh. Need a break, make another tea, and then I'll see if I continue here. And then we'll see. In the meantime, hallucinate on it. What? Wait a second.
Basically. Nice.
This is a starting point.
Really? About you to try and
This could be really Bye.